Hi everyone, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm bringing you another Cook With Me, and today's recipe comes right from the WW app itself, and we're going to be making shrimp fried rice today. It's supposed to come together super quick, 5 minutes. I already have my ingredients pulled out, so I'm going to turn you around and show you what I'm having for lunch today. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave me some comments below, and let me know if you like quick, easy recipes like this. So let's go. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and heat up our pan, but as that's heating up, I'm going to let you know the ingredients that we're using. So today we're going to be using or needing 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. This is the one that I have today. We're going to need a 1/2 cup of medium long grain rice. Now, since I'm on the purple plan, the rice is 0, so I just put a little extra on mine today. Calls for 3/4 cup of frozen peas and carrots. That's not the frozen peas and carrots, that would be the shrimp. This is my veggie mix, so frozen peas and carrots, there's peas and carrots in there, but I didn't actually have just peas and carrots, so this is the one that I'm going to be using today. And then it wants 3 ounces of defrosted shrimp, so that's what we have there. It's pretty much defrosted. It might be couple little frozen pieces, but by the time we're done with it, it should be fine. Calls for 1 egg, which I forgot on the other counter. So 1 egg that we have here, and then 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, and this is just a low sodium soy sauce. So we're going to start to put all this stuff together and enjoy our fried rice. So let me go ahead and get this pan heated up, and then I'll come back. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to throw in 1 teaspoon of that sesame oil. And then we're going to add our rice at that point and start to heat our rice through. I was afraid I had my pan a little hot there. The good thing about having your pan hot though is that sesame oil smells amazing. Alright, so we have that in there. We're going to add our frozen veggies. Sorry if that's a little loud. Turn my pan down there for a minute. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and saute this for a minute, and then I'll come back so that you don't have to watch me do this part. So we're just going to get those veggies cooked up a little bit, and then I'll come back. Okay, so while that's heating through, I'm going to go ahead and add my shrimp, because again, that was just a little frozen, so I want to get that in there so that it can start unthawing too. So I had a couple pieces that are still a little bit frozen. There we go. Alright, so it's going to let that sit in there for a minute. And it did call for 3 ounces of shrimp. I didn't measure my shrimp. I just threw some in there because again, on purple, shrimp is 0. I'm probably going to eat half of this for lunch today. But again, I just wanted to kind of go ahead and throw it all together so that at least I do have it. And it's always nice to have extra for later. Alright, and let me know in the comments if you like shrimp, because if you don't like shrimp, you can also sub out chicken for this. That's always another good thing. I'm going to go ahead and get everything off to the side here, and then I'm going to go ahead and scramble my egg. Since I put that sesame oil in with the pan so hot, I'm going to go ahead and spray this side with a little bit of cooking spray, just to be safe. Let's scramble my egg. Put that in there. Oh, this smells amazing already. All right, now if you like scallions, you can also add scallions into this. I don't have any scallions, plus I don't really miss them if I don't add them into my stir fries. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that out today. And the last thing that we have to do is just add our soy sauce. It does call for 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Since I did add a little extra rice and such in here, I'm going to go ahead and add just a little bit more than that. Soy sauce is coming up to be 0 SmartPoints on the tracker. And if you're on other plans, this is going to be 6 SmartPoints for green. It's going to be 3 SmartPoints for blue, and it's going to be 1 SmartPoint for purple. So this is the perfect little lunch here. All right, so that's it. I mean, I told you guys this was going to come together super quick, and I think it did. So I am going to sit down and enjoy my lunch. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.